Brilliance is the result of innovation and consistent effort. Radiant clusters of ore come together as pure molten metal and are forged into a marvel of elegance and durability. Perfection over time is what we at Plumber have worked tirelessly for the past 3 decades. We believe that to achieve real excellence, you have to seek it in every aspect, in every minor detail. Our experience over the years has helped us accelerate on the path to growth and excellence. Bold finishes, durability, and product aesthetics have ensured that we are among the pioneers in faucet manufacturing and excellence in craftsmanship. And now, we present to you Charcoal Black. Cool Grey. And Snow White. The Plumber Chromix range of faucets is a clever combination of the latest style and functionality, a graceful experience in bathrooms and kitchens. Over the years, our aspirations have resulted in developing a culture that pushes us towards qualitative perfection. This is what led us to bring this innovative and futuristic solution. With integrated control panel, automated hygiene features, heated seat, warm air drying, night light, antibacterial material and much more, is truly a gem for the bathroom. The smart efficiency of the water closet ensures a touch-free, clean and relaxing bathroom experience. Our premium collection is an amalgamation of style, finish and innovation. A standing testament to the time, care and effort that has been put into developing these consumer-friendly solutions. Plumber will continue to move ahead on the path of excellence, constantly innovating and creating. Presenting Plumber Bathware.